Hello guys. Curious about opening a SoFi checking and savings account this year? Here's a quick guide to walk you through each step, no guesswork needed. So, first of all, gather your info and documents. You will need a valid government issued ID like a passport or driver's license, social security number that is SSN, date of birth, address, phone, and email. Non-residents need a tax ID and US address. Now, step 2 is going to SoFi's banking page. So you can navigate to any browser, type in sofi.com and you'll be on this page. Here you'll have to just search for open an account button and click on it. Now, this will open up this page. We'll have to enter your first legal name, last legal name, state, email, password, choose this and click on next. So the process takes just minutes. Fully online, no minimum deposit needed. Now, enter your personal information on the next page, upload your ID and add your SSN. Agree to terms and conditions, and SoFi runs a quick background check and verification check behind the scene. Now, step 4 is depositing funds. After you fill out the information on this page and send your and complete the online application, you can start with $0 or optionally make a deposit via bank transfer. It's totally up to you. Funding early can help unlock perks like high APY boost. Now, step 5 is setting up direct deposit or save $5K. It's highly recommended. So to earn a 3.80% APY, either set up eligible direct deposit or maintain $5,000 plus in deposits per month. Otherwise, you will get a solid 1% on savings and 0.50% on checking. Step 6 is choosing SoFi Plus. So do you want extra features like early direct deposit, bonus APY for 6 months and more? Enroll in SoFi Plus, that is $10 per month, or meet direct deposit or deposit requirements to qualify. Now, step 7 is checking for cash bonuses. So if you have set up direct deposit during the promos, SoFi offers $50 to $300 cash bonuses. For example, you can deposit 1K to 4.9K within 25 days for $50 or 5K plus for $300. Now, final verdict, opening a SoFi account in 2025 is fast and free. No minimum deposit required. For top benefits and yield, just set up direct deposit or meet the 5K deposit threshold. Plus, cash bonuses sweeten the deal. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.